A lot of you have recommended that I switch from a bowl to a flat dish for KitKat because of something called whisker fatigue that I didn't know about. So here we go. The flattest dish that I could find. Hi, cutie. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Look, I have a new dish for you. Hi. How are you? Hi, baby. Yeah. Let's see. There we go. It's hard with my phone. It's okay. There we go. So what do you think? Go ahead.
Mom, this husk wanted the villagers so bad that it broke a door.
Good job. Some water for her. Still in a bowl.